mas yun ang awkward stage because getting to know each other pala. Tapos nung nag-talk back in your dead, si James and Nadine, they know each other na. Dito para sa hopeless romantic, they know each other so well. Kaya mas madali na silang i-direct. Mas komportable na sila sa isa't isa. Mas malalim na yung friendship nilang dalawa. Mas open na silang dalawa. Yun. Mas nag-mature na talaga. So, I think etong challenge dito sa paggawa ng pelikulang Hopeless Romantic was not really all about yung chemistry nila because it's there already. Ang pinaka-challenge was their schedule. Kasi mas mahirap na silang ma-schedule for shoots, di ba? Ayun. At of course, si Julia at saka si Inigo naman, this is my first time to work with them. Kaya lang, with Julia, kilala ko si Julia na pamangkin ni Clau na kasama sa set, ganyan. So, nung nakita ko, ay, dalaga na siya. Ako yung parang naging awkward at first. Pero both of them very very professional and very trusting. So they trusted me so well in directing them. So wala kang naging problema.
Thank you. Okay. James, last question. Paano mo ngayon hinahandle yung fame? Kasi syempre, after talk back, diary, tapos ito, tapos ABS-CBN, Dreamscape project pa. So, hindi ka ba nalulula?
Do you know? Chika, go ahead. How do you handle all these blessings coming in your way?
Same with Nadine.
How do I handle it? Well, it all happened so fast when I'm going to Mama to where we are now.
It's been what? A year or two?
1 year. 1 year. 1 year. So, to me, it's a good thing. It's a good thing that I haven't been because we went through it all together in the start. So whatever I'm feeling, I know she's feeling the same thing. And that's how we handled it.
Tapos, Nadine, kung pareho din ang sasabihin.
How do you handle all this?
Well, me and James are just really enjoying it talaga. And kami kasi, we use it as an instrument to like inspire people and to make people happy, to make them feel kilig. Yun po, nag-enjoy lang po talaga kami.
Sa isa't isa, nag-enjoy na din ba kayo? Of course. Napakabilis si James at ikaw na din.
Of course, yeah. And it's nice kasi kami dalawa ni James, mas naging close na kami. Like, he's the closest guy friend that I have.
Nagsasabihan na ba kayo ng mga sikreto sa isa't isa?
Nagkakwento rin po ako syempre kasi like, kami palagi yung magkasama. So, parang sa kanya ako nagkakwento, like mga issues, problems, mga bigay, kwento-kwento lang.
Sa ngayon ba masasabi niyo na ang isa't isa na ang pinaka-clue sa inyong mga damdamin at puso?
For me, she's the closest girlfriend that I have.
Girlfriend. Girlfriend.
Relax.
Yes.
She always gives, like what she said, she always gives me love advice, and she listens to me. Okay, so many problems. But yeah, she's really good friend.
Thank you.
Gusto manghuli nila wala nakuha.
Hey, Jamie,
Go, Tita.
Direct from how your 4 stars answered, parang sobrang kilig factor ng parang looking at you, parang napaka-seryoso mo. So, paano mo palabas yun sa pelikula?
Palabas lang po yung pagiging seryoso. Hindi po, nagbagets-bagets na ako dito sa pelikulang to. kailangan i-adjust eh. Kailangan i-adjust ko yung energy, kailangan i-adjust ko yung mindset ko because as you know, of course, I'm much older than them, ibang generation na so nag-adjust ako sa kanila as an individual. Each and every one of them contributes para maging inspired ako na i-direct o ikwento yung buong pelikula. So, it's a collaboration talaga. I talk to them individually. Tapos, syempre, bukod dun sa material, ginawa kong ako yung maging clown ng mga batang ito. So, medyo mahirap, oo. Kasi I'm wearing so many hats on the set.